Hey guys, just wanted to let you know Advanced Unity Builds is now available on the itch.io store. I have listed it for $2. I think $2 is a fair price for what you're getting. I put a lot of care and love into this tool because I wanted it to be good enough for me to use. So for $2, you're getting access to the current and latest version, which is 1.0.3.8, I believe. And I'm going to continue to update this as I make improvements to it, as I make it better. Essentially, this is its own little Unity editor window that can be docked next to the inspector. You can have multiple build settings and switch between these build settings. You can decide what needs to be copied to the build directory and for what platforms. You can see I have an example of that here with Duelist of the Roses. I have post requirements as they're called, and I have move me to applications and troubleshoot launching. These are Mac only, and then all these other assets, or these two assets, get copied for every single platform, and these two are extra only for Mac. So the Mac build will get 2 additional little text files for help, and every other build will get the remake manual and the change log with it. So along with that, you can actually go ahead and just click build 3 targets and build 3 versions of your game all at once for Windows, OS 10, and Linux. This does also support iOS and Android, and theoretically PS5, Xbox, Switch, anything that Unity kind of drops, because the basis of this is built around iterating over Unity's built-in types and providing the ability to switch to these for build targets. Please go ahead and give me some feedback on this. Let me know how I can make it better. So to find it on itch, you can either search for Advanced Unity Builds, or if you go to itch.io, come up here to browse, go to game development, and then go to most recent. You'll see it's right about here between all the other tools on here. So you just go ahead and click Advanced Unity Builds, and there you go. Click buy now and you'll get instant access to this Unity package file. It's pretty small. I've got quick start guide. I do have one known potential issue. It's very minor, and I provide a fix for it here. You see 17 kilobytes, and I have the initial video that I made about it, about an older version of it, but the foundation of this has pretty much stayed the same, but what's gotten better is the implementation of it. So thank you so much for your support as always, and I hope you enjoy it.